I didn't see you there. My name's Mary, and I'm a nature guide here at Humboldt Redwood State Park. And if you've been following me, you know that this is a series on how to find and read animal signs. And I thought it was about time that we took a look, checked out our residents that live below the surface of the water. You probably guessed by now that this is not live like I usually am. But if you come on this journey with me, where we're going to explore beneath the surface of the water, I'll be around afterwards to answer all your questions, and we can chat about all the cool things that we've seen. So what do you say? Have you ever been swimming and felt something brush against your legs or nibble at your toes? Have you ever wondered what it was, or maybe tried to put it out of your mind because you didn't want to know what it was? Well, if you come with me, maybe we'll find out. Maybe it's an eel. I don't know. So come on, let's check it out. Whoosh! Wow, this is cool. Let's check out those rocks on the left. Oh, the current's pushing me. I don't think I could stop. Oh well, I'm sure there'll be cool stuff. Pike Minnow. They're cute, but unfortunately they're non-native and they compete and prey on young salmon. They were introduced in the 1970s by anglers using them as bait, and now they're everywhere. Trees falling into rivers make great fish habitat. They provide places for them to hide from predators and a rest from the current, and the algae that grows on them provides food, just like this one. Let's check it out. Oh! Ah! Ouch! That hurt. I think I'll just cruise for a while until I stop seeing stars. Oh, check out this algae. It's beautiful. I think it's Cladophora, and that long thing is Spirogyra. They're both beneficial to the food web of the river. Rock surfaces like this one provide great places for all sorts of living things to anchor. What's that? It is! It's a freshwater sponge. Very delicate. It appears greenish because of the algae living on it. Sponges are sensitive to pollutants, so their presence indicates great water quality. What else will we find? There's probably going to be something on these rocks. Ooh, just like a jewel. It's a ball of caddisfly eggs. I have a feeling we're going to be seeing another of their underwater life stages in just a couple of minutes. Another underwater resident is this marsh ram's horned snail. It seems to be vacuuming. No, it's eating. These air-breathing snails graze on decaying plants. This looks like a mayfly nymph. He's shy. Ah, remember the caddisfly eggs? This is the nymph or naiad stage of the life cycle. The naiad lives underwater, and the naiads of both the mayflies and caddisflies can live underwater for years. When they're ready, they crawl to the edge of the water and undergo their final molt to become winged creatures of the air. This adult flying stage lasts only a short time, from months to only hours or minutes. They make cases using the caddisflies make cases using bits of bark, pebbles, and sand that they cement together with their own saliva. What could be better camouflage? I wouldn't have noticed this guy if I wasn't watching for movement. He's pretty plucky. Look at that. He really blends in, doesn't he? Let's see if we could find some more. This one looks like it has a different kind of case made from mud and sand. There's a bit of a current. I hope he can hold on. Oh no! Let's wish! Let's get him back! Everyone together! Fantastic! Here's another caddisfly nymph. Kind of living life on the edge. I think I'll go say hi. Oh, sorry, mate. Oh, no. Okay, folks. He's okay. He's okay. I think we should move on. Aw. Hey guys, that's not 6 feet apart. I hope you're members of the same family. Here's another type of caddisfly nymph with a fancy spiral case that looks like it's made from little bits of that sand. And check out the freshwater shrimp just on the left. It's amazing how much life is down here, but I'm getting kind of waterlogged. One more and I'm out. What's this? It's a yellow-legged frog. Pretty. Let's say hi. That went by way too fast. Let's try that again. Better. But I'm out of here. Make sure you tune into Facebook to have a chat with me live in just a few seconds.